are going to make spicy Korean meatballs because I like spice. All right, so we have 1 pound of hamburger, a tablespoon of sesame oil. We're going to have, Franklin wants to help. See Franklin helping us?
Get him off. Franklin!
1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We are going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. He's just helping. 1/4 cup of panko. And then for this, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of green onion, a couple of heads of this, maybe 3. And then I'm going to use, of course, the other side. Those are going to be for garnish. We are going to use 1 egg. We discovered we do not have fresh ginger, so we're going to use a powdered version. And that's 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to go ahead with a whole tablespoon of this. So Franklin just wants to help, but what can we say? All right, so the next clip, we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix everything in this bowl. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make the mix up the meatball mixture. We've got our pound of hamburger in here, the panko in here. We're going to the egg in here. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce can be next. Then we're going to go ahead and put the tablespoon of sesame oil in. We have the 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger. This is in lieu of fresh. Okay. The minced garlic, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. And then the last thing, which is the difference in this recipe from other ones that you've seen, I'm going to go ahead and use sweet heat. Now, for any reason, if you don't have this, first of all, go ahead and get that ordered. But if you don't have it, you can go ahead and use a tablespoon of brown sugar and then some red pepper to taste. All right, so there's your mixture. The next clip, we're gonna make our meatballs. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the meatballs. I've got a little scooper that my wife got. That should work really well, make everything the same size. So we're gonna go ahead and form it a bit. Form it a bit. And again, we'll do a couple here. We're not going to do all these in front of you, but again, this really makes it a lot easier to make them the same size. So the next thing is going to be, we're going to take and move this over here. We're going to put this on a medium heat, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon or so in here of oil. So you want the oil to be shimmering, and we're at that point now, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting these in. But yeah, I would say about 2 or 3 minutes or so per side. You're gonna know you want to brown them. And I'm doing this rather than putting them in the oven because I want that fond at the end so I can make my sauce. All right, so this is about 2 or 3 minutes or so in. You can see what you got here. Total cook time is about 10 minutes. So these are done. I'm gonna take them out of here and put them on paper towel, but I wanna make sure you see that this was 80% lean hamburger. The leaner the burger, the better. But I'm gonna mop this grease out of here because I don't want that in my sauce. All right, so we went ahead and made a homemade hoisin sauce. The recipe is going to be in the description. I went ahead and whisked that together, the fond in the pan, and I'm just going to dump this in.
I would turn it up a little bit,
Okay,
I guess,
so
and then just kind of like whisk that in with the fond until it starts to bubble a bit. Yeah, we could probably put it up medium heat.
Okay.
Just till we start to see that it's bubbling and cooking a bit, and then whisking in the cornstarch and water slurry.
Okay. Then we want the cornstarch slurry in there.
Yep, slowly added.
Try and do it
Slowly
so you can see
this thickens it. And we'll coat the meatballs in a nice glossy sauce.
All right, so we can dump it on our meatballs now, or spoon it on there in the next clip. Alrighty, so we're gonna get our plate ready. We've got just a few of the meatballs in there. We're gonna take our homemade hoisin sauce, just drizzle it over the top. And a little bit of onion for garnish. And then toasted sesame seeds. All right, let's go ahead and try one of these. Rice on there too, why not? This is leftover rice that we had. I probably, if I was gonna eat this as a meal, I'd probably have a little bit more rice in there. That's very good. I love what we did with that hoisin sauce. Again, that's in the description. You can taste the peanut butter, the molasses, the different flavors in there. Even that sweet heat I added from Saints and Sinners. Cheers, backyarders.